Side, stand by, side, stand by. Ready? Action. Hi, come. I'm going to show you today how this show is actually shot. You're watching Inventor Challenge in front of the cameras. With me, you get the exclusive privilege of watching it behind the cameras. This is the area which is called the holding area, where essentially all the entries onto the set, which we call the main floor, happens from. This is the world of Inventor Challenge, which we call the main floor. That's where our panelists sit. This is where our contestants come and stand. And this is where they actually display their products for a demo once the prototypes are ready. Now, the beauty of this show is what you're seeing is very chaka-chak kind of a world. I'll show you what's happening behind this. We have cameras all over the set. We're shooting with 12 cameras. So we have a set of cameras which is meant for the panelists. We have the Jimmy Jim. We have the tracker trolley. We have a couple of cameras on that end, which is basically covering the contestants. And this is essentially the world that this show constitutes to create the magic. So I would call it the magic world of cameras, capturing the best moments of our contestants. Hi guys, welcome to the world which is called the PCR. This is the production control room. What you essentially saw from the floor was the cameras. What you're going to now witness is the production control room from where this show is actually conducted. So you're right now in the sound room, and this is where we record all the audios from, and we record all the cameras. Come, I'll show you a more interesting area. You're here now in the main production control room. This is where I sit, I direct the show from, and I have complete access to the entire floor. You get to see all the cameras that we have put on the floor, so we can get outputs of the cameras. We do real-time editing, so it's ready to go live. And essentially what happens here is all the color controls and all the exposures are controlled from here. This is the lighting desk where the entire show is lit from, and we call it the intelligent lights because the lights listen to us, literally. So this is essentially the world of PCR from where the show is called. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.